In this video, we're going to generate a fractal pattern called the Koch snowflake. I suggest reading a bit about this pattern on Wikipedia, but the general idea is that the pattern is generated by taking an equilateral triangle, subdividing it in each side into 3 parts, and then drawing another equilateral triangle on the center part of each side. And then take each side of this geometric shape and add another equilateral triangle to each side on it. Continuing this process, we get a shape that resembles a snowflake. And this is called the Koch snowflake. Here's an animation of the process. We're going to use the Python turtle package to generate this fractal pattern. And on my computer here, I have some code in the file koch.py that generates a von Koch curve with 4 layers of fractal depth. Here, I'll show you the code. It uses a recursive function to draw the fractal pattern, the recursive function being this code here. And you can tell it's a recursive function because inside the function definition, it actually calls the function itself. Let's run this code and see what it does. So here it's generating the von Koch curve. As you can see, it generates the curve, and this curve constitutes one side of a Koch snowflake. So let's modify this code to generate the entire snowflake. This can be done by simply drawing one of the curves, then rotating 60 degrees, generating another curve, rotating 60 degrees, generating another curve, and so on until all 6 sides are drawn. We can do this very simply with a for loop in the code. We'll go down to the initial call to the function here and wrap this in a for loop that will execute 6 times. For I in range 6, we do this. So this for loop will execute 6 times and generate 6 of these Koch curves. After we generate each curve, we want to rotate our turtle 60 degrees so it continues to draw the other curve at a different angle. To this, we'll type right 60. If I now run this code, and wait a while for it to do its thing, we'll see that it generates the entire snowflake pattern. As you can see here, the turtle has gone off the screen. So let's kill it for now. Go back to the code and change the size of our snowflake. If you change this 500 here to something smaller, let's say 200, each step of the turtle will be smaller, resulting in a smaller snowflake. And let's run it again. Here you can see the snowflake is almost finished, and once it's finished, it'll close. And that's how to use a recursive function to generate a fractal pattern using Python Turtle. Thanks for watching.